know.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? We are out here again. It is Saturday, November 18th. I'm gonna be out here hunting alone today, just counting myself. But hey, before we get started, you can do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell over there. It gives you alerts when new videos come out. If you like the video, hit the like button and definitely leave a comment. I love like communicating with everybody that leaves comments. It's one of my favorite parts of like the whole YouTube community and everything, is actually interacting with people that leave comments. So anyways, if you could do that, that would be cool. But we got about two hours before shooting light, and all the decoys are set up. We are pretty much in the same spot I was in the last video, but I set the decoys up a little bit different. They seemed to really like the geese last week. I only have 4 floaters, but they were like landing right with them, so I stuck them out here in front of me this time instead of off to my side. I tried to separate them to possibly bring in geese. I don't even have a goose call with me today, so hopefully they react the same way to them and try and land with them. I also left a little bit bigger hole in front of me, so hopefully that works out. But anyways, we're gonna sit down here and chill out for a couple hours and wait for shooting light to come in and to fight off the other hunters that are gonna be coming in here shortly. Watch birds, watch birds, watch birds, watch birds, watch them. try and get so this thing can hear me because the wind's blowing. I think it's supposed to be like 38 miles an hour today. I've got 3. I've shot enough to limit twice. Ridiculous. A 1 mallard hen. And a hen and a drake green-winged teal. Hopefully there'll be some more here in a minute. Hopefully these guys that set up across the pond from me decide that they are sick of the wind and pack up and leave soon. This wind is freaking killer, but I'm pretty sure that was all on camera. I moved up in front of the blind and sat in the grass for a little bit. I had 2 more green wings come in. Actually, I had a whole group of them come in. But I doubled up on those, so I'm 1 shy of 6. I'm hoping a big bird will come in. I only got the 1 mallard. The rest are all green wing, but at least the green wings have color on their head now. They're pretty. Hopefully I can wrap this up soon. I was hoping by 10, but still possible. I got 7 minutes. Hey Siri, call Derek. Yeah. I don't imagine she'd try and go that far. I don't know, she might, but I'm 1 away from a limit right now. Oh shoot, here comes something. Count. Watch birds. Watch birds. Count! There's my limit. So I finished with this guy. I'm fairly certain, I think it's just a juvenile mallard drake. I don't think it's any clips. Like, he don't got barely got any tail feathers, and then his head's all not full colored. And at first, looking at his wings, it was more, they were more green. They didn't have the purple, but obviously kind of like the mallards do. They change, the colors change as the light hits them or whatever. But yeah, I was on the phone with my brother, and they 2 of them came in, and I saw the underside of him, and it was gray like a drake. So I shot at him and knocked him down, and I got him. I was like, I guess he's eclipsed, I don't know, but I think it's just a juvenile mallard, like a young mallard, because he's pretty small too. But anyway, that's a limit. I'm gonna go pack up the old decoys and head home. It's 10 o'clock. I got the limit at 9:58, right around there. So anyways, but yeah, I was on the phone with my brother, and I seen 2 of them come in. I was like, hold on, I'm about to get my limit, and put down the phone shot a duck. So I'm happy with that. Time to go home and clean me some birds, take a nap,